No, I just like aim it at you, it'll give you a heart attack.
Yeah.
I won't be aiming at you.
Well, you said a heart attack, so yeah, you would get a heart attack.
I said it could, I said it would give me.
Like you with that round. I shall beat you till you die. No, back.
Look, there's going to be a fireworks soon, I can tell. They're lighting it. Come on, come on, come on. That was good. But no. I'm going to get a nice big one. They're lighting over there, mate. They're lighting at the hedge.
Right, here we go. This one's going to go, I think. Be careful, this one might blow. It's going to blow. It's going to blow.
Yes, it's going to blow. Oh.
This time we didn't have a ooh.
Yeah. No, we got an oh. Oh look, they got something like
Ooh.
Yay, but what? We want some more.
Say what's much to the fireworks.
Alright, so not. Oh like they're gonna I know where they're lighting them. They're lighting them over there, I think.
Steven, go, you're on the same team.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh look.
oh.
I saw the thing.
Oh, I like this one.
Yeah. Oh. It's gonna go.
No, this one goes round and round.
Make it time.
Looks like something off a movie.
Go faster. Go so fast. Oh,
wow.
there you go. Finish. Oh, we've got another one. Look, another one over there.
Oh, cool.
Over there.
Yeah, I want to. Yeah, it shoots.
Look.
Whoa.
Ah, really.
It's good.
Really nice. Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, look, there's rockets over there. I think they might go. I'd be like,
You're always too slow.
oh. Be careful, son, don't come over and hit us. Oh.
Yeah, we want some more fireworks.
More.
Yeah. I want one to go up and go bang. It make it look better for the effect.
I don't get caught.
I can't do that. I'm recording. Give me fireworks. There's two.
Oh, over there. Look, zoom out, zoom back, get back, move back. And see if you can get both of them. There you go. Oh, now it's only one. Oh.
Woohoo!
Yeah, when we did it here, we take the side of the side.
This is going on YouTube.
Definitely.
Yeah.
1 minute 20.
No, it's actually been longer because this is part 2 of it. Oh, they're setting one over. I want one to go up and go bang, so there's those little
I want
bits
to go up and bang and then something drops and hits someone.
Yeah. Then last year, Alex, remember last year how one bit hit Josh on the head?
Oh yeah, that was funny.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh man.
Not very high.
Nice.
Do the ooh ah whenever a cool fire. There you go. I went out. Ooh. Ah. those. No, we got one of those ones that goes like that.
I was hoping it was going to go bang or
Yeah, it
something.
goes boom. Glow sticks. Hello. Hello.
I can't really see you.
Hi, mate. Try again. Hello.
I can only see the glow stick. Look, 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 look. Look at that.
Green smoke!
Woo! Woo!
That's all.
Oh, there's no how long's it been? That's all.
6 minutes, 49 seconds.
Well, we're going to put it on YouTube, so you can only have 10 minutes long on YouTube.
Yeah, you have to make it into 2 parts.
No, this is part 2 already.
Yeah, I've not. No, the first bit wasn't that long.
Another wheel. It's going to go round and round. Whoa!
That one's better. Woo!
Hey! Look out!
I don't like them when they stop.
It's a rocket! Take cover! No, the rocket's about to go. No, we meant to shoot 4 hours.
Oh, they're starting one!
Oh, look, there. Now it's about to go. Rocket, I look thing. Rocket's about to go. Over there.
Yeah. You can't really see it.
There you go. Under attack! Oh, mercy!
Yeah, mercy.
Baby, come on, one bit, like. Josh. That's Josh.
I've got to watch the time on this. Oh, we're nearly up to 10 minutes.
Yeah, 8, 9 minutes.